Ever found yourself stuck with a subscription service you no longer need? Feeling like you're navigating a digital maze just to cancel it? You're not alone. We've all been there, signing up for a service with the best intentions, only to realize down the line that it's simply not serving our needs anymore. Or perhaps our business has evolved in a different direction. Take Tailor Brands, for instance. It's an incredible platform, a true powerhouse for entrepreneurs looking to quickly and efficiently build their brand. From logo design to LLC formation and even website creation, it offers a streamlined, all-in-one solution that can be incredibly appealing when you're starting out. Imagine having a professional logo, brand identity, and even legal paperwork sorted with just a few clicks. It's designed to make the daunting task of setting up a business feel, well, doable. You get your logo, your website, your business cards, all the essentials, practically handed to you on a silver platter. It truly empowers aspiring business owners to embrace their inner entrepreneur, arming them with the tools and guidance to overcome those initial hurdles. But here's the thing about entrepreneurial journeys. They're rarely linear. Businesses pivot, needs change, and sometimes the tools that were once perfect for your growth become less so. Maybe your brand identity has shifted significantly, and you want something completely custom. Perhaps you've outgrown the platform's offerings, or you've found a more specialized service that better fits your current demands. Or, like many, you might simply be looking to streamline your expenses and cut down on recurring costs that no longer provide optimal value. Whatever the reason, if you're a Tailor Brands user who's reached the point where you're asking, "How do I cancel my Tailor Brands subscription?" then this video is for you. We're going to walk you through the entire process, step by step, ensuring you can confidently and effectively cancel your subscription without any unnecessary headaches or unexpected charges. It's important to understand that while Tailor Brands aims for convenience, the cancellation process, like with many subscription services, might not be immediately obvious. You don't want to get caught in a cycle of automatic renewals when you've already decided to move on. So, let's dive in and break down exactly what you need to do. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Tailor Brands account. This might seem obvious, but sometimes in the rush to cancel, people overlook this initial, crucial step. Make sure you have your correct login credentials ready. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it before proceeding. It's always best to do this from a desktop or laptop computer, as the interface can sometimes be tricky to navigate on a mobile device for this specific task. Once you're successfully logged in, you need to locate the subscription or account settings area. The exact wording might vary slightly due to website updates, but generally, you're looking for a section that deals with your plan, billing, or account management. This is where all the details about your active services and payment cycles reside. Look for tabs or links usually found in the top right corner, often under your profile icon or name. Within the subscription area, you should see a list of your active plans. If you have multiple services with Tailor Brands, such as a logo maker subscription and an LLC formation service, make sure you identify the specific plan you wish to cancel. This is crucial to avoid accidentally canceling something you still need. Click on the active plan you want to terminate. Now, this is where it can get a little less straightforward, but don't worry, we're here to guide you. Once you've selected your active plan, you'll typically find an option labeled Subscription Settings or Manage Subscription. This is your gateway to initiating the cancellation. Click on this. You might be presented with some options to downgrade your plan, pause your subscription, or even offers to entice you to stay. This is a common tactic used by subscription services to retain customers. Carefully review these options. If your goal is a full cancellation, politely decline any offers to downgrade or pause if they don't align with your objective. Look for a clear button or link that explicitly states Cancel Subscription or Terminate Account. This button is usually present, though sometimes it might be in a less prominent position or require an extra click or two to reveal. Don't be deterred if it's not immediately front and center. After clicking Cancel Subscription, you will likely be prompted to confirm your decision. This is another standard step in the cancellation process, designed to ensure you genuinely intend to cancel. You might be asked to provide a reason for your cancellation. While this is optional, providing feedback can be helpful for the company to improve its services. Be honest but concise. Once you've confirmed, look for a confirmation message on your screen and, crucially, check your email for a cancellation confirmation. This email is your proof that the subscription has been successfully terminated. Keep this email for your records, just in case there are any future discrepancies or unexpected charges. It serves as your official documentation of the cancellation. It's also worth noting the Tailor Brands refund policy. According to their terms of service, all fees are generally non-refundable unless otherwise specified. In cases where a refund is issued, they may charge a service fee, which will be deducted from the refund amount. This service fee covers administrative and other costs associated with processing the refund. They might waive this fee in specific cases, such as overpayment or their failure to deliver a service. This information is important to manage your expectations regarding any potential refunds. Another point to keep in mind is that while your subscription might be canceled, your account itself might remain active, just without the premium features. This means you could still log in to access any designs or files you created, though functionality may be limited. If you wish to entirely delete your account and all associated data, you would typically need to contact their customer support directly to request data deletion, often citing privacy regulations like CCPA if you are in a region where such rights apply. If, at any point during this process, you encounter difficulties, or if you can't find the cancellation options as described, don't hesitate to contact Tailor Brands customer support. You can usually find their contact information, including email addresses or a contact form, on their website's Help Center, Support, or Contact Us pages. Provide them with your account details and clearly state your intention to cancel your subscription. Be persistent but polite in your communication. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.